light, let's start the day. Hobbies bring joy in every way.
Pick your passion, find your tune. Every hour feels like a boon. Painting pictures, colors flow. Drawing lines, ideas grow. Writing stories, dreams take flight. Singing songs that feel so right. Creating art is calmer than a busy street. A quiet world where heartbeats meet. Brush in hand, the canvas glows. Through hobbies, life's beauty shows. Play a game, let's laugh and run. Dancing together, life is more fun. Cooking meals, we'll sing along. Friendship's rhythm keeps us strong. Time with friends is brighter than gold. Memories made, stories told. Hobbies shared, hearts aligned. Together we make life shine.
Running fast beneath the sun, swimming waves, the day has begun. Biking trails, the winds embrace. Hiking paths, we find our place.
Flying kites up in the sky. Fishing quiet, hours pass by. Outdoor fun feels freer than side and side. Nature's wonders, a perfect guide. Step by step we will make it clear. Hobbies bring the world so near.
Reading books under the trees, listening to music, melodies breeze. Gardening blooms, life feels sweet. Relaxing moments can't be beat. Knitting scarves or crafting art. Puzzles that challenge mind and heart. Relaxing feels better than chasing time. Hobbies soothe, they feel sublime.
Quiet nights with peace in view.
Simple joys bring life anew.
Play a game, let's laugh and run. Dancing together, life is more fun. Cooking meals, we'll sing along. Friendship's rhythm keeps us strong. Time with friends is brighter than gold. Memories made, stories told. Hobbies shared, hearts aligned. Together we make life shine. Morning light, the day feels bright. Hobbies bring joy, hearts take flight. Pick your passion, find your tune. Every moment feels like a boon.
¿Te gustó la canción? Entonces, haz que este ritmo llegue a más personas. Dale like, comparte y suscríbete.